Happy birthday.
All right, we're ready.
Say Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas, everybody! And we're gonna make cookies for Santa, and then we need carrot first.
And then what plate we're gonna put them in when they're done? Show everybody your nice plate. Ooh. It's a gingerbread plate, and then Santa's gonna come and do what?
Eat them.
Yes. He only gonna eat them if they're good, though, Callie. So you gotta make good cookies.
Okay.
All right. You ready?
Yes.
First, we gotta get some what?
Hand sanitizer.
Hand sanitizer. Gotta clean your hands. All right.
All over.
Dad knows how to get sanitizer.
Come on.
Go, go.
Put it in your fingers. Good job. Shake it off. Smell them. Ah, nice and fresh.
Okay.
All
Now
right.
can do the cookie.
Now we can start.
It smells like bananas.
It smells like bananas?
Yes.
Girl. All right.
So we got the cookie dough.
All right, so how many cookies are you? We're gonna make 6 cookies. Okay?
Can I have one?
Yeah. Here you go. And you make it into a ball. Make it
I
into a
can make
ball.
it to a girl. Yes, mommy. Ready?
Like this. Look. Boom. And you can make it nice and flat like that. Like a little square. Boop. And then put it on. Put it.
Oh, yeah.
Ow. That hurt my forehead.
It's okay. Go ahead. Put it down.
Okay.
How many cookies are you going to give him?
A lot. I think a lot.
You want to
think
go
a
a
lot?
lot?
Yes.
But what if he get full and then he can't go to nobody else's house?
Oh, okay.
But how many? Let's count them.
1, 2, 3.
Here, do the next one.
Slappy, eat the cookie.
Sloppy.
She's always talking about this sloppy guy.
Who's sloppy?
The villain.
He's a villain on YouTube, and she watches him all the time.
I don't want to watch him.
You don't want to watch him no more?
Okay, put that cookie down.
Go ahead, put your cookie down. Make sure that Santa eats your cookie.
Okay.
Here.
Oh, cookie. This one has peanuts in it.
No, it's chocolate chips, silly. It's 'cause Santa only likes chocolate chip cookies.
Wait. We did this in our show.
We did this in Yoshi's show?
Yes, from cookies.
You did the same thing?
Yes, from
But did Santa eat them?
It's gonna come over.
Oh.
For Christmas. Oh.
Come on, go ahead, put it.
I'm gonna step.
All right, good. And then last one. Okay, count them. Let's count them out. 1.
Wait. We need this to go to the top.
That's enough. He
This is
only...
enough because it's only 6.
No!
Look, because you only want to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6.
I want to taste it.
You can taste one because Santa might not eat all of them. He might only eat 1 or 2.
Okay. I eat in the bag.
No, we'll eat some later. Count them. Let's count them.
1, 2,
Count 1.
2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, I don't need it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right. Are you ready to put it in the oven?
Wait. Can I taste one?
Oh gosh. All right. I'll give you a little piece.
Thank you.
Oh. All right. Good. Don't do that at home, kids.
What does it taste like?
Bananas.
You keep with the bananas thing.
Okay, let's put them in the oven.
You ready?
Yes, I'm gonna put them in the oven.
All right. Come on. You gotta bake it at 350 degrees. Let's go.
Oh no, I can't go.
All right. Now I'm gonna do this part because she's only a child and we don't want her to burn her beautiful hands. Okay? Ready?
Yeah.
In the oven we go, and then we'll pull them out in about 12 minutes.
Wait, can I press the button?
Sure. Ready? Press. Oh.
This one?
Hold on. Timer.
Okay.
Press 1, 2. Wait, no, there's this one. 0. Oh, that was ours. Let's clear that. Hold on. 1, 2, and now press start. Hold on, press start right here. All right, good. All right, tell everybody we're gonna wait for 12 minutes and then we'll look at our cookies.
And before you put the camera up, we have to go play for a minute.
So we'll play for 12 minutes and then we'll come back and look at the cookies?
Yeah.
Okay.
When the cookie to open one present and all of their presents. So,
You got to pick one.
Which one you gonna pick? You gotta look at all of them and you get to pick one that has your name on it.
I want to pick this one because it's my favorite.
Who gave you that one?
I don't know.
Check it.
Okay. I'm scared.
Why is it your favorite? Because it's pink.
Yes. I don't know why it's pink.
I think Nana gave you that.
I think your Nana gave you that one.
I think it is.
Okay, open it.
Go ahead and
Well,
open it.
maybe it's not. It's not my name on it.
Come on, you can open
What's your
one.
name on it?
You can open
You
it.
pick that one. Whichever one you want.
Okay. It's not gonna move right. Did I need to take this part off?
Yes,
you do
do
it.
it.
Yeah, ready?
Pull
You
it.
can pull everything off.
1, 2, 3.
I'm opening it.
There you go.
I wonder can it be? Maybe a Barbie?
Maybe a Barbie or something.
Oh my God!
What is it?
It's a
Oh!
What did you do to my production? Oh my God! Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Oh my God.
What is it, Callie? Show the camera.
Oh, it's Minnie Mouse! Yay!
Even a wolf.
Yeah.
Yes.
Show everybody on the camera.
Um,
Yeah, I'll be over there. She's pretty.
yes, I do.
Yeah.
Her hair have a hair bow.
She got a hair bow. She got roses.
Yeah, on her feet. I don't know what it is. Like, her so beautiful. You look so. Papa, you can't wear that for Christmas. Papa, take that mask off or I steal your Christmas.
I don't have no mask on. Papa said it's Halloween and Christmas.
Yes.
Okay. Hold on, let me open this part. What you got?
Ah!
Let me see. Let me see what you got.
No!
It's the Grinch.
I'm the Grinch's friend.
No!
I'm coming to take your toy.
I'm gonna slap you in your face!
Oh, slap me.
Come here. Here you go, Callie. She's so pretty.
Come here.
Yeah.
Oh, she's cute.
She cute. She got her little dress on.
What is she?
Where's Minnie Mouse?
Is she a fashionista?
Wait, it's from the other one.
Yeah.
You like your present? Say thank you, Nana. Look at me.
Thank you, Nana.
All right,
I
then.
want this for I like my cookies.
Okay.
So bye. Huh? What? Out of the box.
That's a cute little dog. She got
Oh,
a full
it does.
dress on.
Quick.
What am I doing, Andy?
Callie.
Hey, guys.
Callie. So after, when you wake up in the morning,
Santa's gonna be here and give me more presents.
and you get to open them.
Yes, and I'm gonna eat Christmas pancakes.
Christmas pancakes?
Yeah. And I like Uncle Andrew and Papa, but Mom and Daddy, and we're going on.
You gonna wake everybody up?
Yes, and,
What are you going to say? How you going to wake them up?
just jump on the beds.
Up on the bed?
You knock on my door?
Yes.
And do what?
And Uncle Andrew's toy. And Mommy's toy.
Go.
The cookies are done, so I'm gonna eat one because.
You gotta taste it for Santa. Make sure it's not poison.
Yes.
Okay, put some of them on the
Put
plate.
some on the plate and then you keep one.
Can you?
1, 2.
3?
Yeah, give him 5. He likes 5.
Okay.
That's 3, 4, 4.
Is that enough?
Why? You want to eat the other
Eat
two?
the other 2. There you go. Good job.
Good job.
And then you keep the biggest cookie of them all.
Oh, it's pretty.
It's okay. Taste it.
What does it taste like? They yummy? All
Can't
right.
talk because she stuffed her mouth. So it must be good, huh?
You getting sleepy.
Says yummy, yummy in your tummy.
Yummy and mouth coming. But
Tell everybody good night and tell them to what? Subscribe.
You about to go to where?
She's about to go to bed.
Mom, can I see 2 minutes?
Can you stay up for 2 minutes?
Yes, I will.
You can stay up, eat your cookie, and then you go to bed. All right? All right.
All right, tell everybody goodbye.
Goodbye.
Say see you in the morning.
Love ya.
I love Kelly. I love Kelly. I love Kelly. So you know what I'm about to say. Yoshida, Yoshida, Yoshida gonna meet. Yoshida, Yoshida, Yoshida gonna meet. Love ya.